struggling with high energy bills, inconsistent room temperatures, and HVAC systems that never seem to perform efficiently? You're not alone, and outdated heating and cooling systems are often the root of the problem. Welcome to PartsHnC, your go-to source for smarter HVAC solutions. Heating and cooling account for a major portion of your energy costs. Traditional systems are often inefficient because they generate heat instead of using it wisely. That's where whole-house heat pumps come in. These modern systems work by transferring heat rather than producing it, making them incredibly efficient and capable of delivering up to 3 times more energy than they consume. They handle both heating and cooling in a single system, giving you consistent indoor comfort throughout every season. With features like smart thermostats, zoning, quiet operation, and low maintenance requirements, heat pumps are designed for convenience and long-term performance. Over time, they significantly reduce electricity bills, last for 15 to 20 years, and even increase your home's value. Plus, they're eco-friendly, reducing carbon emissions and supporting sustainable living, especially when paired with renewable energy sources. As energy costs continue to rise, investing in a heat pump isn't just an upgrade, it's a smart financial and environmental decision for the future. To keep your system running at peak efficiency, you need the right components. They also provide more consistent airflow and humidity control, improving overall indoor comfort. Additionally, their energy efficiency can help reduce strain on your home's electrical system over time. Learn more in our blog, link in the description. Find all heat pump parts and HVAC parts at PartsHnC.com and follow PartsHnC for more tips. Thanks for watching.